Another crucial skill was knowing how to determine the different directions where one could find the type of game they wanted to hunt. It was also extremely useful to be able to read the spoor and identify which footprint belonged to which animal. By examining animal tracks, we could even determine the direction of nearby water sources, just by following the paths animals took to drink. The key was to observe the main trail that all the animals branched into as they came from different directions in the bush. That single path, where their tracks merged into one, always led to a water pan. When hunting for food, the most important thing was ensuring we approached the animal from downwind. There are two terms to remember: upwind and downwind. Approaching from upwind meant the animal would catch our scent and flee. But if we positioned ourselves downwind, meaning the wind was blowing from the animal's direction toward us, it wouldn't detect our presence. To determine wind direction, we would scoop up a handful of sand and let it fall. Observing which way the sand drifted showed us the wind's path, guiding us on the best approach. Incredibly, animals often wouldn't flee if they didn't catch a scent. They would simply stand still, staring, trying to figure out what kind of creature we were. Most only ran once they detected human scent. After a successful hunt, the carcass would be hidden before returning home to fetch the family. Once reunited, the entire group would relocate to the kill site, making it our temporary home for as long as it took to consume all the meat. To complement our meals, daily chores were assigned. Every morning, each person knew exactly what tasks to complete. The women divided into groups, some gathering wild fruits, while others remained at home, occupied with essential household work. They would soften and prepare animal hides to make blankets and clothing for the cold winter months. Meanwhile, the men ensured that hunting weapons were always in peak condition. They sharpened arrows, prepared poisons, and wove ropes for bows and bird traps. Preparing poison for arrow tips was a labor-intensive process, requiring careful ingredient selection, preparation, and application. Among our many hunting tools, one was particularly unique: a long stick with a noose at the end. When hunting spring hares, one person would insert the noose into a burrow, gently maneuvering it until they felt the stick touch the animal. Once a tug was felt on the other end, the stick had to be carefully withdrawn, bringing the spring hare out of the hole. The animal was then killed, either by clubbing it or using an assegai. As we explore the incredible knowledge and traditions of the San Bushmen, let us remember the importance of preserving and respecting the diverse cultures that shape our world. In a spirit of unity and understanding, let's come together to spread love, tolerance, and appreciation for all. Subscribe now and share the wisdom.